This is a 1982 Wanderlodge FC35. It has a front end update to a newer model year. Somebody said it was a 1987 model year. So we have a back window is covered. I don't know what this is. So there is a extra fuel tank here. Storage compartment. Looks like there's some tools. Zip de-awning looks to be intact. I've not opened it. Let's see what generator we've got. I can't get in here. All right, you just have to sit your generator in there. There is a Raycor fuel filter on this one. Propane system looks pretty clean. There's a shield in place. Oh wait, that looked like it was a boost pump. No, that's just propane regulator. Extra set of airbags. More tools, looks like some windshield wipers. Let's go ahead and look on the inside. There's some damage to this door latch. There is a carpet protector in here. It looks like it's a leather or plastic leather type thing. All right, so I've got a little headliner dropping down, really common on these. This is a non-turbo engine, real clean. Power seats. All right, that's there. Here is the data plate, 1982. It's an altimeter, Raycor gauge, remote start for the generator, backup camera, the thermometer. Let me know in the contents what that is. Adjustments for the backup camera probably. Okay, it has a sit-down bathtub, a little bit bigger shower, really clean bathroom. Has a space where there used to be probably an ice maker. Has a water softener. It looks like that's what that is. 4-burner stove. Faberware convection turbo oven. Doesn't even look like it's ever been used. It's got the manuals in it. Fantastic vent with remote control. Information center. It has the blender insert, the cutting boards. Looks like this has been updated or improved. It's ready for tea. Sorry, I bumped the trim. Dinette is in pretty nice condition. All right. It has a updated Danby fridge. So that might be a 12-volt fridge. Let's see. No, it's 115 volts. It is from 2001, but that's still updated. A lot of coaches don't have that. A rear closet, full-size bed, has the makeup mirror, some extra belts. right. Oh, and we've got another little closet here. Yep, just storage closet. All right. Last registered in 2018 and 2019. That's the paperwork for that. All right, drop down step. Okay, so let's come around and we'll take a look at this. I'm going to go ahead and go up on the roof. Okay, so it's got the diamond plate roof. 1 roof air, 2 roof airs. Now, I don't know what that is. Maybe that's an antenna mount. This goat rail goes all the way to the back of the coach. On the older models, it doesn't always do that. So that's all there is to this one.